Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is Let's Read. In this session, we will read sentences. We will understand how to frame sentences and how to read them. Let us see a picture first and then we will make sentences with it. Oh, in the picture we can see many things like cat, rat, bat, mat. Yes, all these words are rhyming. Cat, hat, mat, bat. All these are rhyming to one another. Let us read the sentences. A fat cat and a rat. And का मतलब होता है और. A fat cat and a rat. इसका मतलब है एक fat cat है और एक rat है. Yes. A cat has a bat. Cat के पास bat है. Cat has a bat. The cat sat on the mat. Cat किस पर बैठी है? Mat पर. Yes, cat sat on the mat. Let's see students different picture and read other sentences. Here you can see a boy with a bag. Let's read sentences. It is my bag. My my होता है. It is my bag. ये मेरा बैग है. The boy is telling. It has a tag. Bag पर क्या है? Tag. It has a tag. He had a nap in the lap. Here students you can see, you can read all the words. Her adder had, he had a nap, na app a nap, in the lap, la app a lap. All these words are so easy to read. I hope students you can now understand how to read sentences. That's all for today's session.